What's up, everyone? Have you ever tried making a creamy soup only to end up awkwardly transferring hot liquids into a massive countertop machine? If you are tired of the extra dishes, you need the best electric handheld stick blender. Welcome to Triplezon. Today we are checking out an electric handheld stick blender that makes cooking so much easier. Let's get started. Taking a closer look at the Rowney H4 electric handheld stick blender, you will quickly realize that it completely redefines home cooking by perfectly combining immense power, versatility, and durability. Traditionally, handheld mixers were seen as weak tools only good for basic mixing, but the Rowney brand completely changes that expectation. This appliance brings professional-grade performance straight to your home, allowing you to easily tackle a huge variety of culinary projects without ever needing to drag out a heavy food processor. At the very heart of this appliance lies a truly impressive maximum 1500 watts all-copper motor. Having 1500 watts of raw blending power right in the palm of your hand is an absolute game-changer. Most standard handheld tools seriously struggle with thick ingredients, but this highly engineered all-copper motor is specifically built for top-tier performance and incredibly long-lasting reliability. This massive amount of power ensures that every single blending task is handled with total ease and maximum efficiency. Whether you are whipping up a thick morning fruit smoothie or pureeing a pot of roasted vegetable soup right on the hot stove, this motor powers through it all without ever slowing down. To give you absolute control over all of that power, the Rowney H4 electric handheld stick blender features a brilliant stepless speed control system. Instead of being forced to choose between rigid preset speeds, this seamless adjustment technology lets you gently glide through different power levels with a simple push of your finger. It allows you to process your raw ingredients exactly how you want them. You can start slowly to carefully chop vegetables into coarse chunks and then smoothly ramp up the power for ultra-fine silky textures. Best of all, the entire layout is thoughtfully designed for effortless one-handed operation, comfortably leaving your other hand completely free while you blend. A powerful motor definitely needs an equally capable cutting tool. That is exactly why this machine is beautifully equipped with a premium quality ASUS 304 stainless steel blade. This specific grade of stainless steel is widely known in the culinary world for its remarkable sharpness and incredible everyday durability. It effortlessly slices through tough whole foods and rapidly breaks down frozen ice cubes without losing its sharp edge over time. On top of its impressive cutting power, the stainless steel material remains highly hygienic and exceptionally easy to maintain, deeply ensuring your food stays fresh and perfectly safe during every single use. Built for true everyday versatility, this appliance comes with an incredibly handy 6-in-1 multi-accessory design. This amazing package beautifully expands its functionality far beyond what a traditional stick blender can do, essentially giving you an entire kitchen toolkit in one box. You get specialized attachments that seamlessly adapt the machine to a massive variety of prep tasks. Whether you are preparing fresh homemade sauces, crushing ice for a cold drink, or whipping fresh cream for dessert, the Rowney H4 beautifully adapts to your exact needs. This unmatched flexibility empowers users to confidently explore exciting new recipes without constantly buying expensive separate appliances. When it comes to food preparation, family health and safety are always a top priority. You will be very happy to know that absolutely every component of the Rowney H4 electric handheld stick blender is completely BPA-free. This means you can confidently cook for your loved ones, knowing no harmful chemicals will ever leach into your hot food. Plus, after the cooking is done, nobody wants to spend extra time scrubbing dishes. To make your life so much easier, most of the included fittings are completely machine washable. You can simply place them directly into your dishwasher, heavily streamlining your entire cleanup routine and promoting a much more hygienic cooking environment. The Rowney H4 is truly about enhancing your entire kitchen experience. From effortless daily blending to exploring highly creative cooking possibilities, this handheld stick blender actively supports a much more efficient and deeply enjoyable culinary routine. Its beautiful combination of robust construction, user-friendly design, and amazing multifunctional capability makes it an absolutely essential tool for anyone looking to easily elevate their home cooking to a professional standard. If you are ready to completely transform the way you prepare daily meals and make cooking deeply fun again, you definitely need to check this out. Check the price link in the description to get all the wonderful details and upgrade your kitchen today. Like and subscribe to Triplezon for more amazing daily content. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next video.